Okay, kids, so we'll start like doing an programming exercise so that you believe me that actually everything that we have done actually exists and it's not just a Hail Mary. So open an Eclipse workspace and open a new project. I'm gonna open it, new file, Java project, and I'm gonna call it OOP. No, OOP. Object Oriented Programming. I'll just call it finish and new class, and I'm gonna call it OOP, um, OOP. Okay, object oriented programming. I'm gonna ask you tell it that give me a bay, product static main, and that's gonna be all. Okay, I'm gonna upload this thing to Blackboard eventually, but you can follow as I do here, so that's just like easier for you to do. Okay, so we had object-oriented programming class, and we will start like doing stuff with strings that I told you that they were like string that they were objects. Okay, so first of all, let me erase this thing. There we are. We have a let's declare a string. Okay, now strings are objects. Okay, therefore the first letter is a capital letter. Okay, string. I'm gonna call a variable called greeting and I'm gonna assign hello world to it. And there we are, semicolon. Okay. Now I want to know how many characters does it have. Okay. So I'm gonna declare an integer n equals greeting, and as greeting is an object of the type string, that means I have functions or methods that I can use to it. Okay, so I'll type an L. And oh, look, all of this that just like popped up here are all the possible methods that I can apply to this object. Okay, for now, we'll just look for the one that goes called length. And there we are. We just press enter, semicolon, no, nothing in the middle of the parenthesis, and just write a semicolon at the end of it. Okay, so let's see if actually greeting exists and if n has the value of 13 that we computed in the last slide. So that would be system that out that print line, and that is it. Now we're gonna go greeting. And there we are. Okay, just make sure there are no mistakes in it. Now we're gonna print like system and that out that print ln, and I'm gonna write the variable n. Okay, so let's see if this thing works. We're gonna click here and run. So yeah, do it. And yeah, we've printed hello world and it has 13 characters. Okay, so actually what we did on the last slide actually works. So no, I'm not crazy, not for now. Last thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna print some other things. So just two other methods that's called they are called like to uppercase, and a new one that's gonna be called replace. Okay, so let's start like declaring a variable called river string, and you're gonna be called river, and I'm gonna apply this holy and nice name that I love. It's called Mississippi, and it has like um a lot of two values. Okay, so semicolon, and I'm gonna call it big river string big river. And what I'm going to do to this thing, I'm going to assign the value of river, but I'm going to set it to uppercase. And yes, as there is uppercase, there's a lowercase. For now, we're going to use two uppercase. And once again, let's check if I'm crazy or I'm not. And we'll do system that out dot print line. No, print line. There you go. And I'm going to write river, and the same thing pretty much. Going to be called big river, and there you go. And let's check if this actually works or I'm crazy. Yeah, compiled it. And there you go. I'm not that crazy for now. Okay. Now let's keep on doing stuff here, and I'm gonna use this new thing. That's gonna be to replace things. Let's say river equals river dot replace. Okay, and I'm gonna just override it and say, okay, whatever you find that has like this characters, I want you to replace it with these new ones. O-R, O-U-R. What does that say? We're gonna find out when we reprint this thing. Let's see what happens. Yeah, do it. Oh, look, it says Missouri. Okay, so it's actually working. So this nice method that's called replace looks for this thing, Mississippi, what used like in the first part of the argument, and it's substituted with the second element. Okay, finally, this is our code. It's very short. This is the first time you worked with objects consciously. Just I'll leave you something to think about. Will this thing work? I'll just comment it here. Will this thing work? Okay, think about it, discuss it with your classmates if you want to, and see you in the next one.